We have been loyal to California Olive Ranch's olive oil for so long now, like at least 5 years, if not longer. I remember before I used to try to buy high quality olive oils and I never knew if they were real. And often, even when they were really expensive, they never tasted as good or as fresh as this does. I love that it's only coming from California. It's US grown and processed, so it's not even traveling far to get to me. I'm up in Oregon. It's cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil that truly is rich and vibrant. The flavor on this is so good. I use this for everything: cooking, salad dressings, dips for breads. It is my go-to olive oil and it always shines. And not only can you trust that you are only getting high quality olive oil from California in this, but they go through the trouble of making sure that it is fully certified as well. So you truly can trust it. And if you want to branch out, they actually have quite a variety of different ones. I've tried a few of them. I always come back to this one as this is my main olive oil, but definitely try them all. This brand is really what you're looking for. California Olive Ranch olive oils are all winners.